Hey everyone, want to track website traffic with Google Analytics? In this video, I'll show you how to monitor visitors, understand traffic sources, and analyze your website performance step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Google Analytics account. Next, select the website property you want to analyze from your Google Analytics dashboard. Now open the Reports ** section to view your website traffic data. This is where you can find important information about your visitors and their behavior. Start with the Acquisition * reports to see where your visitors are coming from, such as search engines, social media, direct visits, or referral websites. Next, check the ** users ** and sessions * metrics to understand how many people visit your website and how often they interact with it. Open the Engagement * reports to see which pages visitors view, how long they stay, and how they interact with your content. You can also use the * Real-Time * report to monitor visitors currently active on your website. Next, create custom reports or explorations to analyze specific traffic details that matter to your goals. Review your traffic data regularly and use these insights to improve your content, marketing campaigns, and overall website performance. Finally, connect Google Analytics with other tools when needed to get deeper insights into your audience and conversions. And that's how to track website traffic with Google Analytics. By understanding where your visitors come from and how they use your website, you can make smarter decisions and grow your online presence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.